Hello friends, this is Parikshet, whose face is a little golden. What do you want to do? Parikshet is not in a mood to do any drawing today. So what should we do? This is episode 17 and Parikshet is not in the mood to do any drawing today. Is it the same with you? Did this happen with you also? That you did not want to draw? Yes? No worries. See, Parikshet will get ready for drawing in a minute. Okay, let's get started. Parikshet, this is 6 minutes, 100 days challenge where we come here to draw every single day. And we are on episode number 17. The 17th day of doing some... No, we miss on a few days. So let's start. Today what are we going to sketch, Parikshet? We are going to sketch an eagle. For the episode number 17. Okay? Let's start with this beautiful sketch of an eagle. How do you do that? We have already done it once.
I'll show you.
Show it. Yeah, something like this, isn't it? Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the eyes. We keep a little bit of space for the beak. Let's start with the beak.
Start with the head. That's so good actually.
Let's start with the beak.
Okay.
Okay. Does it look like a beak?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
I have to erase.
Why is that?
I made it a little too short. Should I get a eraser?
Yeah. Come on, move on to the next page.
I'll draw you.
Yeah.
I'll draw you.
Okay. Yes, Parikshet. That's the face. Now is the very a little difficult part of it. That is
Guys,
the eyes.
I just made it.
Very good.
But not as good as the first.
Yeah.
My first one was too much like this. Now it looks like this.
It's okay. there's the eagle piece is ready. Is it ready for you, Parikshet?
Yes, I did too.
So by the time we are done with the sketch, go and check this video's shout out. See which profile got featured in this video.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Now that we are done with the shout out, let's come back and finish this episode 15's sketch of an eagle.
Episode 17.
Sorry, yeah, episode 17. Eagle. Great. So we are done with this sketch. I hope you are enjoying this challenge. You are being a part of this challenge and you are not forgetting to share your drawings with us on Instagram to get featured on our profile.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have something to show you guys. I made
Wow,
this.
that is a Lego, isn't it? And Parikshet made something out of it. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see where did Parikshet buy this from, check out the details in the link below. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.